What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the Crystal Restore before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the Crystal Restore works. What is Crystal Restore? Crystal Restore is a monumental breakthrough in manifestation that is unlike anything you've tried before. Crystal Restore is an effective formula that helps anyone to feel chained down, unfilled, or disconnected. With this amazing supplement, you can easily observe changes by resetting the pineal gland crystals to a positive state. This daily tablet was changing people's lives by opening up or turning on third eye and enabling them to generate an entirely new reality. Crystal Restore reveals the perfect tool you can find as a peek into the future. Also, this supplement helps you to find the hidden truths and even manifest new realities. How does Crystal Restore work? Crystal Restore works greatly with an amazing combination of ingredients that supports a greater manifestation. It makes you start changing almost every aspect of your life right away. This miraculous breakthrough ended your living paycheck to paycheck due to a lack of funds. Crystal Restore brings the most compatible life partner and your soulmate to you. It attracts meaningful work that aligns with your innermost desires and a clear purpose. This product brings radiant health, endless vitality, and a life free of suffering without costing a hefty fortune for ineffective gurus, classes, and elaborate spiritual rites. Simply taking one dropper of Crystal Restore formula daily works on reactivating the crystals in your pineal gland as the epicenter of your innate manifestation abilities. It clears out the disruptive fluoride buildup, blocking this critical gateway between your conscious desires and the field of infinite potential all around you. Soon, you'll feel long-dormant spiritual channels opening again as you receive clear intuitions, creative sparks, and divine inspiration. Your mind and the quantum field exchange signals, finally allowing you to bring your wildest hopes and aspirations to physical reality. Crystal Restore ingredients. Crystal Restore contains over 9 ingredients hand-selected for their pineal recharging potential. And here it's an amazing combination of ingredients that are listed below. Ginkgo biloba. Our fragile pineal gland are specially protected from fluoride toxicity by Ginkgo biloba. This is made possible by the abundance of powerful flavonoids and terpenoids in ginkgo, which are amazing pineal antioxidants that protect delicate cells. However, Ginkgo biloba goes further, increasing the pineal gland's internal electromagnetic conductivity. This increases the electrical signals necessary to change the negative charge of your manifestation crystals to a positive one. Bacopaminere. Bacopaminere is a rare and potent ingredient that prevents fluoride from harming the sensitive pineal area and its organs. It transforms your organs into a fortress and protects your vital organs and bodily cells from harmful substances. In addition, regardless of the amount of fluoride exposure you've had in the past, pineal crystals remain positively charged by enhancing electric signaling in your nervous system. Pine extract. Pine extract protects delicate pineal tissues, preventing them from penetrating and warping your manifestation crystals. It ultimately regains its innate positive charge to clear the obstruction in your spiritual flow. Additionally, pine extract lessens inflammation in the pineal gland and brain. It helps repair the fluoride buildup that has already occurred over time. Thus, your spiritual portal remains open to the energy of manifestation. Tamarind extract. Tamarind works as a purifier for your body, removing pollutants and fluoride that could otherwise cause your pineal crystals to become distorted. To keep them in a favorable, high-vibration state while replenishing them. Thus, the spiritual vibrations of your connection rekindle quickly. Spirulina. Once consumed, spirulina will protect your priceless pineal crystals. It creates a natural barrier around them to deflect disruptive EM frequencies that could otherwise get through and obstruct your manifestation gateways. Thus, you maintain a firm anchor on the energy source. Lion's mane. Lion's mane is mushrooms gathered from old growth forests. In addition to increasing mental acuity, lion's mane raises pineal crystals to their maximum vibrational state. Thus, they maintain their positive charge and can readily withstand the distortions of modern technology, allowing the manifestation to flow freely through your spiritual conduit. Pure chlorella. Chlorella has the remarkable capacity to prevent harmful substances from interacting with the tissues of our brains, blood, and organs. This is due to the amazing antioxidant enzyme system found in chlorella. It has the power to eliminate infections and inflammatory chemicals brought on by fluoride poisoning. Moringa. Ancient Indian and sub-African cultures have long utilized moringa as a strong protector of important organs. It helps defend against dangerous microorganisms produced by pollution, oxidative stress, and fluoride poisoning. It will also balance the negative charges in your pineal gland crystals. Mahogany neem. Neem helps you completely restore your pineal gland after years of accumulation of fluoride. It restores pineal tissues and crystals' health and positive charge to their natural configuration, effortlessly re-establishing your energetic connection to the Almighty Source.